Introduction to upper and lower bounds, intervals and segments. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are the lower and upper bounds in numbers? 2. How to quickly express an estimated value of a mathematical expression using rounding. 3. Using the concepts of upper and lower bound in practice to find the minimum and maximum value of any quantity. 4. What are intervals and segments? How are they expressed? 5. How to show intervals and segments in the number line. 6. What are half intervals and half segments? How are they expressed in symbols? How do we display them in a number line? 7. How do we show rounding on a number line? Introduction. In many cases, it is worth knowing the range of numbers that provide a specific rounding. This is because we want to estimate how much we may err if giving an approximate value of a number. We have previously explained that in science we must speak with competence and not guess. In this tutorial, we will explain how to identify the margins of error we accept when rounding a number. We call these allowed margins of error bounds, upper and lower. That is all for introduction to upper and lower bounds. Intervals and segments. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 2.2.1, Upper and Lower Bounds. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.